What if I told you that the tips you think you're giving to cruise workers might not be reaching them the way you believe? What if removing gratuities, something many people are doing right now, is actually hurting the very people you want to support? And what if the truth is not what the viral posts are telling you? Hey cruisers, welcome back to Cruise Safe, where we dive into the real cruise questions that matter. Today, we're uncovering what's really going on with cruise gratuities. Because lately, TikTok, Facebook groups, and forums have exploded with claims like, cruise lines are keeping all the tips, automatic gratuities don't go to the staff, remove the tips and give cash directly to your waiter. Sounds shocking, right? But is any of it actually true? Before we jump in, help me fight misinformation. Hit like and subscribe so more cruisers get the real facts, not viral confusion. All right, let's get into it. What are cruise gratuities, really? When you book a cruise, you might see a daily charge added for gratuities. It might be paid before the cruise, or added to your onboard account. This money is meant to support cabin stewards, dining room attendants, buffet staff, behind-the-scenes crew, laundry teams, etc. So far, simple. But then the rumors started. The viral claims over the last year, social media has pushed 3 major claims. 1, cruise lines pocket gratuities. 2, gratuities are counted as crew salaries, so they don't help at all. 3, removing gratuities is the only way to ensure crew get the money. People are now proudly posting screenshots saying, I removed all gratuities and tipped only who I thought deserved it. Sounds righteous? But what if that TMS doing more harm than good? Stick with me because this is where the truth shows up. Official position from cruise lines, for example, Carnival's brand ambassador has addressed this topic directly in public statements. He made it very clear that the automatic gratuities charged to guests are not kept by the company. They are given entirely to the crew members who serve guests during the cruise. He also clarified that these payments are not counted as part of the basic wages that crew receive in their employment contracts. In other words, gratuities are additional income. They are not a substitution, not a restructuring of pay, and not a clever financial loophole. He repeated this point multiple times when asked, because some people assumed there must be fine print or hidden language involved. But according to what has been shared publicly, there is no withheld percentage or administrative cut taken by the cruise line. The message is straightforward. The team who prepares your meals, cares for your cabin, assists in the dining room and beyond sees the benefit of those charges. Here's the part people often miss. Gratuities are not meant to replace wages. They exist on top of regular salary and serve as an essential portion of a crew member's earnings. These individuals rely on gratuities to support their families at home and to make the difficult months spent at sea financially worthwhile. Yet despite these repeated explanations, many people remain skeptical of corporate statements. And with social media amplifying doubt and rumor faster than facts, it is easy to understand why. That is why I decided to look beyond official talking points and hear directly from the people who depend on gratuities most, the crew members themselves. Crew members themselves confirmed something big. I asked crew, multiple departments, different ship, different cruise line, and what they said honestly surprised me. They do see their gratuities. They receive them once per month. The amount goes up or down if passengers remove the tips, meaning, when you remove gratuities, their income drops. Not maybe, not theoretically, directly. This isn't a concept. This is their paycheck. Let that sink in. The system nobody talks about. Here's what many don't realize. Gratuities are pooled behind the scenes. You might love your favorite waiter, but who cleaned dishes behind the kitchen? Who kept your cabin stocked? Who worked night shift sanitizing public areas? You don't see them. But they served you too. So when someone says, tip the one person who helped you most, that's personal preference, not fairness. Because cruising is a team sport. Pattern interrupt. Challenging the watcher. Think about it. You get to lie by the pool and enjoy breathtaking ocean views because a massive community of people are working non-stop below deck. Not just the smiling ones you see. If you were behind the scenes, what system would you want? Yes, extra cash. Tips are kept personally. Here's the exception. When you give extra cash directly to a crew member, they usually keep 100% of it. That's a reward for great service. And no one is suggesting you should stop doing that. But removing gratuities? That's taking from many to give to one. Why not include gratuities in the cruise fare? Many people argue, Why not just include gratuities in the advertised price? Here's the real reason. Cruise lines don't want fares to appear higher than competitors. Some passengers refuse to tip at all. Industry-wide change would need every cruise line to agree, unlikely. Even Virgin Voyages, famous for tips included, shifted gratuities back to a separate fee recently. If even they can't sustain it. There's your answer. Who's telling the truth? Let's recap. Cruise lines state gratuities go to crew. Crew members confirm gratuities directly affect their income. Social rumors lack credible proof. Removing tips hurts the workers. So what's the truth? Gratuities matter. They are income. Removing them has immediate consequences. The uncomfortable question is, why are people encouraging others to remove gratuities? Is it misunderstanding? Is it frustration with corporate pricing? Is it selfishness disguised as activism? Only you can decide. How to do the right thing. Clean version. Let's strip away all the noise and viral drama for a second and focus on what truly matters. The people who make your vacation possible. Doing the right thing on board is actually very simple. Leave automatic gratuities on. This ensures every person who contributes to your cruise experience receives their fair share. From the laundry crews who wash your bedding to the team cleaning public spaces while the ship sleeps, gratuities help support everyone who works to make your trip enjoyable. Give personal extra tips when you genuinely want to. If a cabin steward adds special touches or a dining room server goes above expectations, a small cash tip or thank you card can have a huge impact. It is never required, but always appreciated. Recognize that your experience is created by many crew members. You may only interact with a few of them each day, but behind the scenes, there are hundreds working hard. This includes housekeeping assistants, night cleaners, galley staff washing thousands of dishes, engine teams ensuring your safety, and entertainment staff keeping the fun going. Every role matters. If service falls short, speak up the right way. Instead of removing gratuities, which affects an entire team, the best solution is to visit guest services. Give feedback early so they have a chance to correct the issue. This approach means the hardworking crew can continue to benefit. You still reward excellent service. You also help prevent misinformation that harms the very people who serve you. Everyone wins. So the next time you are enjoying a snack at midnight, stepping into a clean cabin, relaxing with a fresh towel by the pool, eating dinner that arrives beautifully prepared and on time, remember this. There are parents on board who have not hugged their children for months. There are husbands and wives separated from their partners. There are young workers far from home doing everything they can to build a better future. Also, you can enjoy a stress-free vacation at sea. Gratuities are a thank you. They represent appreciation. They are not a fee, they are gratitude. If you found this video helpful, do me and the crew a favor. Hit like, so more people get the truth. Subscribe because we break cruise myths that others avoid. Comment. Do you leave or remove gratuities, and why? Your opinion matters here, just keep it respectful. Until next time, I'm your cruise master from Cruise Safe. Stay curious, stay kind, and happy cruising.